Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Kusama coin. In my previous video, we were watching that Kusama was breaking out the resistance of a big falling wedge on the weekly time frame chart. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether this resistance will be broken out or not, because it is rejected and right now it is moving back again towards this resistance. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So first of all, I would like to show you this weekly time frame chart again. And when I shared my previous video, at that time the price line was trying to break out this resistance of this big falling wedge. But after this rejection, so far the price line is not reached here at this support of the falling wedge and moving here. And I will show you what is the reason for that. Before that, I want to show you one more thing. Previously we had a bearish divergence on this weekly time frame chart. Like for example, we can see that here the price line formed this high, another high was higher than previous high, but the RSI formed this high higher than the next high, and the next high was lower than the previous high. So this was the bearish divergence on the chart, and you can see that the price line followed this signal, moved down at the support. Right now we have a bullish divergence on the chart, because you can see here we had this major high after this bounce, and below the candlesticks here the RSI has formed this high. Now next high we have a rejection here, and here we had the next high by the price line, and we can see that RSI has formed higher than previous high. You can see that this next high is higher than previous one. Previously we had the bearish divergence, therefore the price line moved at the support and bounced by the support and formed another lower high. But this time we have a very big bullish divergence. You can see that the price line has formed higher high, and the next one is the lower high, but RSI has formed higher than the previous high. So there is a very big bullish divergence. And the next reason, if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then here we can see that the price line has also found a support here. This is the trend line support, and this support is the major reason. At one side we have a very big bullish divergence on the weekly time frame, and on the daily time frame the price line has found this trend line support as well. Now if we switch back to the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that there is a very obvious cup and handle formation as well. You can observe that we have a round shape, the body of the cup, and this is the handle, and the price line is likely to break out this resistance of the handle of the cup. Soon it can also break out the resistance of the cup as well. And if I place this trend line at the resistance of the cup, we have this resistance here at $451. And if I place this trend line from this bottom of the cup up to this resistance, and I'm just going to place it above the breakout point, then we can have our next imminent target after breaking out this resistance level, and that will be here at $747. So we have a very big bullish divergence. We also have very nice support on the daily time frame chart that is also visible on the weekly time frame chart as well, and a very big cup and handle formation, and the falling wedge pattern in itself is considered as a bullish reversal pattern among the traders community. So this is the reason, therefore, the price line after this rejection is not moved here at the support, and we can expect a very big breakout very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. I've shared my link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.